Okay, y'all, so I'm gonna show y'all how I made this face mask using Canva, okay? And I use my Cricut Easy Press. Not my Swing Away, but my Cricut Easy Press. So stick along, join me. I had to do a little rush job this morning before coming to work because I said, I got purple on. So I need to do a mask that match. So stay tuned and don't forget to subscribe to my channel if you haven't. Naturally Committed. Follow me on social media by Naturally Committed. And check my website out too. It got some wonderful things. naturallycommitted.com. All right, what y'all waiting for? Come on, subscribe. Come on. Quick video. This is how I do my face mask. So I click on square on Canva, okay? So if you don't have Canva, you need to go. Square is right here underneath the elements. So I click on the square, all right? This will help with my background. So I can add color to my face mask. All right, now I'm gonna change it by clicking on this square. I'm gonna type in lilac. All right, so I typed in lilac and I want this. This is the closest color that I want right here. Change that. Now I'm gonna close that out, go back to elements right here, and I'm gonna type in galaxy. All right, so this is the galaxy that I get. I'm gonna click on graphics, okay? So that's what I'm gonna do. I'll do that. Bring it in just a little bit. Okay, so that's what I'm going with. This is gonna be my face mask, and I just wanna position it and make sure it's centered. So I'm click on position, center, click on middle, boom. All right. Make sure you lock it in place so nothing moves. So I'm gonna click on this lock right here. All right, so it won't move. I can't shift it or anything like that, y'all. Now I'm going to download it, and I'm gonna change this to PNG. I don't need to mirror it because it doesn't have any words, but I already have my printer set up for sublimation and it automatically mirror my images, so that's fine. And you want to make sure you click on transparent background. That's a must. All right, so download. So right now it's downloading. Usually I would use my heat press, but I am pressed for time. Get the pun? So I am going to use my Cricut press instead of my actual Swing Away heat press. So I'm gonna click on the copy, and this pops up. And now I'm gonna go to file. I'm using a Apple MacBook Air, and I am going to go to print. This is all the way down at the bottom. Change my printer, that's very important. Change it to Epson. Change it to sublimation because I already have my presets for colors on there. It's already set to 8x14 paper, but that's fine. I like to fill my image because I don't really have like a cartoon, but usually if I did have like a cartoon, I would click keep it right here, okay? But since I don't, and I'm not worried about the cartoon being too big for my face mask, I'm just gonna click fill entire image right here. I'm gonna print it. And while that's printing, I'm gonna heat up my Cricut press. Be back. So I got my Cricut heating up right now. It's gonna heat up to 400 degrees for 60 seconds. And I have my galaxy background, and I have this mask. I usually buy the bigger face mask, but this is the only one that I can get really quick. And you see how it comes pre-packaged, and it has the filter and your little ear holders this is how basically sublimation masks come, especially when you're selling it for a profit. Okay, so my Cricut is set for 400 degrees, and this is my face mask. Okay, y'all, I already went over it with a lint brush, so this is my face mask, so it's fine. All right, so now I'm going to tape this onto my picture. It has to be heat tape. Okay, y'all, so I just want to make sure I get that center in there. All right, and I'm gonna tape it down. So this avoids the ghosting, because you know your image can move, so that's why it's good to tape down. This part is cotton, but the other side of this mask, the front side, is polyester, 100% polyester, just so you know. So yeah. So I'm just tucking in the ear part so it don't scorch. So I'm just taping it in. I have done a lot of these face masks, so trust and believe. All right, now I know they said this side down on here, but I was rushing and was not paying attention, and I had basically got a design on the other side of it, and then yeah, so when I get around to it, I will definitely buy another one. All right, so now I'm gonna get some parchment paper right there. Okay, challenge with the butcher paper, right? Where is my design at? All right, so it's like right there. So I'm gonna press down hard on it. All right, so start 1, 2, 3. I don't know if y'all can see the time. Let me move it like that. There we go. So you want to make sure you're pressing down hard. Pressing down hard, because if you had your heat press, you can you know, adjust the pressure, but you are the pressure for the Cricut Easy Press, so remember that. So press down. Usually I stay in on my tippy toes and press down like I'm doing a plank, y'all. It's crazy. And I can smell it doing something, because I can smell the ink release. So I'm gonna wear this face mask to work. That's why I said I was pressed for time, because my other heat press, it takes forever to heat up. So I know it's time for me to get another one. All right, so let's see. Let's put that back over there. Let's remove it. See the colors. And look, see, this is what I'm talking about. I'm here to get another one of these, y'all. Ugh. I was not expecting that. Alright, so now I got me a face mask, y'all. Let's see. What y'all think? I like it. It's nice and snug. Snug as a look. Gotta wear my face mask to work, y'all. So, it matches. Alright, so that's how you make a face mask with Cricut Press and Canva. Thank you. And if y'all haven't subscribed to my channel, subscribe to my channel. I'm actually committed on YouTube, Instagram, TikTok, Facebook. And you can get your orders too if y'all want. Alright.